evening, everyone. I am Pooja Nagdev from Population First, and it is my honor to introduce our host for the evening, an extraordinary woman achiever herself, Dr. Onona Guha. Dr. Onona is an accomplished Kathak dancer, daughter of Dr. Tushar Guha, founder and chairman of Nityanjali, an institute of performing arts, education, personality development, and management services for the underprivileged kids across the suburbs of Mumbai. A double doctorate in sociology from University of Mumbai with a fellowship from Indian Council of Social Science Research. She is a trainer in behavioral sciences and a scholar. She is the recipient of the Menka Award for Kathak and Woman of Substance Award from Young Environmentalist Group, Hiranandani Foundation. She is an accomplished author and also has been dance and music curator for last 5 years at the Kalagora Art Festival, Mumbai, changing the face of the festival with innovative fusion and classical performances. We extend our sincere gratitude to Dr. Onona for being a host for the 10th edition of Ladli Media Advertising Awards for Gender Sensitivity 2020. Over to Onona.
Thank you, Ms. Pooja Nagdev. Namaskar and good evening, and welcome to the 10th edition of Ladli Media and Advertising Awards for Gender Sensitivity Regional Awards. I'm Dr. Onona Guha, your anchor for today's award ceremony. As we all are aware of the unprecedented moment in our lives we are living with, the pandemic determining our lifestyle and choices. Going online is the new normal. Without much further ado, let's go ahead and begin with our curtain raiser.
Change is continuous, change is inevitable. Change happens in small measures. Change happens when a thought provokes you to look at the world differently. Change happens when a niggling thought keeps reminding you that something is not correct. Change happens when you are reminded of your dreams of a better world for all as a young person. Small changes build to bring major transformations. The churning of thought is important for action.
And friends, I'm absolutely impressed by Population First. And I was reading one of their sentences which says, every communication that goes into the public domain should be gender sensitive. Kya baat hai? Ameen. Ameen. Your motto, to influence the influencer, gives me hope. Your awards and fellowships to promote gender sensitivity gives me hope.
Media is to break stereotypes and not to reinforce them. whether it's advertisements for cereal or washing powder, or ads taking on the role of gender in the great battles and moments of history, the kinds of ads we've just seen and applauded today. Media is also to think, to contemplate, to reform, to regenerate. Media, of course, the kind of media we've awarded today, does all of that, aspires to all of that. Gender sensitivity is a long battle, but it's a battle, as we have reminded ourselves today, for you, for me, for the media to win together.
Population First presents the 10th edition of Ladli Media and Advertising Awards for Gender Sensitivity 2020, supported by UNFPA India and media partner Plug TV. The Ladli Media Advocacy Initiative focuses on promoting gender sensitivity in media in order to build a gender-just society. An initiative undertaken by the NGO Population First, Ladli is a comprehensive media advocacy initiative to journalists, scriptwriters, and advertising professionals. Over the last 2 years, we have been focusing on reviewing advertisements, television serials, and films from a gender perspective, as well as presenting fellowships, conducting media consultations and research on reporting on gender issues, thus leading the change from the front in media and advertising in India. I would like to warmly welcome Mr. S.V. Sista, our founder and executive trustee, a doyen in advertising, a staunch supporter of gender equality, to share his thoughts and welcome the guests.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the 10th edition of the Regional Ladli Media Awards for Gender Sensitivity. We could come this far only because of the confidence that the UNFPA reposed in us, which has been steadfastly supporting the initiatives since 2008. I extend a warm welcome to Ms. Argentina Matavel Pichin. Forgive my not being able to pronounce her name properly. She's our guest of honor and the country head of UNFPA India, and her entire, and of course, and Bhutan also, and her entire team. I welcome them all with great pleasure. I, of course, also welcome Anuja Gulati, consultant UNFPA, who has been guiding our team consistently. And here I'd like to add a personal note. Anuja, right from the beginning of Population First, has guided me, taught me how to use even a phone, leave aside reading a message. So a big thank you to Anuja Gulati. I also extend a warm welcome and thank all the 2 jury members who have been through the entries carefully to select the winners. I really, we are all grateful to them for the time that they spent on this particular process. The Plug TV team deserves a special thanks for their technical support as our media partners. I congratulate all the winners and welcome their families and friends who are watching the event today. Last but not the least, I thank and welcome our host for today, Ms. Anona Guha. As always, she's very efficient and makes sure that everything goes well. If I do not congratulate my own team, led by the indefatigable Dr. Sharada, who all of them worked very hard in these very difficult COVID-19 times to organize the 10th edition of the Ladli Media Awards. I know how much effort went into each of them, Zooming, talking, answering, replying, and so on, and you can imagine the rest. So I'm once again, a big thank you to everyone who made this whole thing possible. Stay safe, stay blessed.
Thank you, Mr. Sista, for those warm words. I now call upon Dr. A.L. Sarada, Director, Population First, to say a few words on the 10th edition of the Ladli Media Regional Awards.
A very good evening to everyone who is attending this online event today. This is the new normal, talking to audiences you don't see. It's a little unnerving, but I think we all have to get used to it. Today, we are announcing the winners of the 10th edition of the Ladli Media Awards for Gender Sensitivity, the Regional Awards. These awards are a celebration of media that is inclusive and promotes diversity. In these COVID times, we were very apprehensive about the response that we would receive to our call for entries. We were in for a surprise. We got a fairly good response in spite of the lockdown. I thank all the journalists, media persons who have sent their entries, even during the lockdown, against many odds. A big thank you to all of them. It was a pleasure reading the entries and listening to the stories. I hope your family, friends, and teammates are joining you today to celebrate your success. It is very appropriate that the chief guest for today is Ms. Rekha Sharma, Chairperson, National Commission for Women. I extend a hearty and warm welcome to her and thank her for accepting our invitation at such short notice. I would like to share a few details about the awards. We have received around 1100 plus entries in 13 languages across the country. However, unfortunately, there are no winners in Marathi, Punjabi, and Urdu. I hope next year we get better entries and we'll have some winners in these languages. Today, we would be felicitating 75 award winners and 18 jury citation awardees who were selected by 61 jury members from across the country. I'm indebted to the jury members who have gone through a number of articles meticulously to win the most deserving for the award. Thank you so much. What is heartening is the commitment and passion of our jury members who ensured that only the best are rewarded. I'm happy to share that 36% of our winners are men, which shows that men are equally keen and capable of writing good stories through a gender lens. Writing gender stories is neither the responsibility nor the prerogative of women alone. It has to be journalistic value that is cherished by all media and communication professionals. While there are many repeat winners among our awardees this year, indicating that many of them are continuing to write gender-sensitive stories, we also have a large number of young journalists writing amazing stories, and that gives me a lot of hope. This year, we have granted 17 fellowships to journalists to write on COVID through a gender lens. The fellows were selected from across the country, covering 14 states and 9 languages. The stories written were amazing and highlighted the various facets of the issue and covered many dimensions of COVID and its impact on women in the country. The fellows explored many dimensions of the issue, which generally does not get the kind of exposure. The stories written were amazing, providing insights into issues which are generally not explored in mainstream media. We are also happy to share with you that we have commissioned 4 short films to address the stigma and marginalization of people during the COVID times. The films will be premiered soon. The pandemic has brought to the fore the fissures in the social fabric of the country. It is the responsibility of the media to identify and expose those issues to ensure action is taken to address them. Today, we are fortunate to have with us 2 women achievers, Pandita Anuradha Pal, who has made a name for herself in a male-dominated tabla playing field and has made a name for herself. She has made many innovations in her performances, one of which is a Jugalbandi with herself. You'll be listening to her performance. You would get to see her performance today. The other achiever we have with us today is Anona Guha, our host, who wears multiple hats, a researcher, a teacher, a TEDx speaker, and an artist. A big thank you to both for supporting our cause. Before I sign off, I would like to say a big thank you to UNFPA and our media partner Plug TV for supporting us. Stay safe,
and stay blessed always. Over to Onona.
Thank you, Dr. Sarada, for your inspiring words. So let us begin this incredible ceremony by celebrating and honoring journalists, writers, and communicators from the northern region. This year, we have 18 winners in both Hindi and English languages from 3 media: print, electronic, and web, and 8 categories: article, blog, editorial, e-magazine, feature, investigative story, news story, and op-ed. The first award of this edition in print series of articles in Hindi is presented to Neetu Singh for Ankahi Kahaniyan on gaoconnection.com. Neetu Singh in her series of articles presents several inspirational and relatable stories that give the viewers and readers an opportunity to know about the invisible women, role models, and gender benders. In appreciation of a wide range of topics covered, Neetu Singh is presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020.
इस बार खोजी पत्रकारिता की कैटेगरी में जो अवार्ड हमें मिल रहा है वो मेरे अब तक के करियर की सबसे महत्वपूर्ण खबरों में से एक खबर रही है। पिछले साल यूपी के हरदोई जिले में एक नाबालिग बच्ची के साथ गैंगरेप होता है। आरोपी 2 महीने तक गिरफ्तार नहीं किया जाता है। गांव कनेक्शन ने इस मामले को प्रमुखता से उठाया था। खबर लिखने के 24 घंटे के अंदर मुख्य आरोपी गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया। दूसरी एक सीरीज है जो हमने झारखंड में पिछले साल रहकर की थी। झारखंड की ग्रामीण महिलाएं जो नक्सल प्रभावित क्षेत्रों में रहती हैं, जो अच्छा काम कर रही हैं, वो महिलाएं बेहतर काम कर रही हैं जो देश की लाखों महिलाओं के लिए उदाहरण है। ये अवार्ड हम ग्रामीण भारत की उन महिलाओं को समर्पित करते हैं जो ग्रामीण क्षेत्रों में रहकर अच्छा काम कर रही हैं। उनकी पहचान उनके नाम से हो रही है। समूह में जुड़कर आज इनमें लीडरशिप की भावना आ गई है। धन्यवाद।
The next award for print editorial in Hindi goes to Jahid Khan for Mahilaon par bhari ganne ki kheti in Daily News. Jahid Khan's editorial draws our attention towards the exploitation of women farm laborers of beef who are forced to undergo hysterectomies to avoid economic losses. In appreciation of this well-researched editorial, Jahid Khan is presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020.
दोस्तों, यह चौथी मर्तबा है जब मुझे लाडली मीडिया अवार्ड मिल रहा है। मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ पॉपुलेशन फर्स्ट परिवार का, जूरी का, जिसने मेरी एंट्री को अवार्ड के काबिल समझा। अवार्ड मिलने से निश्चित तौर पर मेरी जिम्मेदारियाँ भी बढ़ी हैं और ये जिम्मेदारियाँ हैं समाज में लैंगिक संवेदनशीलता विकसित करने और समानता लाने के लिए और भी बेहतर प्रयास करने की।
The award for print feature in Hindi goes to Meena Kumari for रैप की दुनिया में महिलाएं in जनसत्ता, which portrays various Indian female rappers, their journeys and aspirations, and the path they carve for future female hip hop artists. In appreciation of a thorough feature, Meena Kumari is presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020.
सबसे पहले तो पॉपुलेशन फर्स्ट का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगी कि उन्होंने मेरी स्टोरी रैप की दुनिया में महिलाएं, उसको ये लाडली मीडिया का अवार्ड दे रहे हैं। और ये मेरा मीडिया इंडस्ट्री में पहला अवार्ड है, तो जो उसकी खुशी होती है वो आप सभी समझ सकते हैं कि जो क्या एक्साइटमेंट होती है पहले अवार्ड की। और इस सब के लिए मैं अपने परिवार का और दूसरा अपने जनसत्ता परिवार का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगी कि वो हमेशा हर स्टेप पर मेरे साथ खड़े रहे, मुझ में सुधारते रहे चीज़ों को, मुझे एक बेहतर इंसान बनाते रहे। तो उस सब के लिए आप सभी का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
The award for print news report in Hindi goes to Prem Vijay Patil for दिव्या नहीं करेगी अब मजदूरी, पढ़ाई करने की चाह होगी पूरी in नई दुनिया. Prem Vijay Patil's story touches on the evils of child labor and girl-child discrimination in the context of education and nutrition. In appreciation of a thorough look at the various aspects of child labor and girl-child discrimination, Prem Vijay Patil is presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020.
पॉपुलेशन फर्स्ट द्वारा लाडली मीडिया अवार्ड के लिए चयनित किए जाने पर आभार। जूरी मेंबरों द्वारा मेरी स्टोरी को चयनित किए जाने के लिए उनका विशेष आभार।
The award for web-based article in Hindi goes to Neetu Singh for आपने महिला डॉक्टर इंजीनियर के बारे में सुना होगा, एक हैंडपंप मैकेनिक से भी मिलिए on gaoconnection.com. Neetu Singh weaves the tale of Shiv Kalya Devi's odds and opportunities and how she perseveres despite the mockery and gendered mindset to work as a hand pump mechanic. In appreciation of a beautifully worded story, Neetu Singh is presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020. The award for web-based blog in Hindi goes to Vikas Trivedi for औरत किस एक चीज से आजादी चाहती है, digital trash bin on bbc.com, in which Vikas asks women the pertinent question of what should be chucked in the trash bin, and the answers are as varied as the interviewees he met. In appreciation of the in-depth reporting and innovatively showcasing the reality of the lives of women, Vikas Trivedi is presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020.
एक ऐसी चीज जो रोकती है औरतों की आजादी की परवाज, ट्रैश बिन लेकर निकले हम जानने औरतों की आजादी की आवाज।
हेलो, मैं विकास त्रिवेदी। जिस वक्त आप ये वीडियो देख रहे होंगे उस वक्त भी ना जाने कितनी ही औरतें किसी न किसी एक चीज़ से आज़ादी चाहती होंगी। इसी सवाल का जवाब तलाशती मेरी जिस स्टोरी को पॉपुलेशन फर्स्ट ने लाडली मीडिया अवार्ड दिया है उसके लिए मैं बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच। और मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि आने वाले वक्त में ऐसे ही कुछ और स्टोरी करता रहूँ। थैंक यू।
The award for web-based feature in Hindi goes to Jyoti Yadav for मोल की बहुएं, हरियाणवी मर्दों के एहसान तले दबी औरतें जिनकी अपनी पहचान खो गई on theprint.in. Jyoti Yadav's analytical feature on women trafficked to Haryana for marriage exposes their plight and drudgery, drawing attention to the impact of skewed sex ratios on women. In appreciation of the heart-wrenching yet sensitive portrayal of women trafficked for marriage, Jyoti Yadav is presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020.
Thank you so much for this recognition. I am humbled to receive this award. वैसे तो कोरोना पेंडेमिक ने सभी की ज़िंदगियों पर गहरा प्रभाव डाला है, लेकिन फिर भी महिलाएं इस पेंडेमिक में सबसे ज़्यादा वल्नरेबल रही। फिर चाहे डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस हो, सेक्सुअल वायलेंस हो या फिर इकोनॉमिक क्राइसिस, वो पंक्ति के आखिरी पायदान पर खड़ी थी। और ये अवार्ड मुझे उन सभी स्टोरीज़ को रिपोर्ट करने, डॉक्यूमेंट करने के लिए प्रेरित करेगा और मैं आगे जेंडर के लेंस से इन सभी पहलुओं को सामने लाने की कोशिश करूँगी।
The award for web-based investigative story in Hindi goes to Neetu Singh for खबर का असर, गैंग रेप का आरोपी 9 गिरफ्तार on thegaoconnection.com, where Neetu's investigative report brought to the readers the relentless pursuit for justice by the Hardoi gang rape survivor and her family and led to the conviction of the culprits. In appreciation of dedicated and sensitive reportage, Neetu Singh is presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020. The award for web-based news report in Hindi goes to Ritika for Children of War Ki Yaad Dilati Hiba Nisar on newslaundry.com. Ritika engages the readers in the story of 18-month-old Hiba Nisar and her brother, and through them tells the story of Kashmiri children surrounded by conflict and uncertainty. In appreciation of a brilliantly written, informative, and objective piece, Ritika is presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020.
शुक्रिया पॉपुलेशन फर्स्ट और लाडली मीडिया इस अवार्ड के लिए। ये अवार्ड हमारा प्रोत्साहन बढ़ाते हैं, खासकर महिला पत्रकारों का, कि हम भी कश्मीर के दुर्गम इलाकों में उन कॉन्फ्लिक्ट एरियाज में जाकर रिपोर्टिंग कर सकते हैं। ये अवार्ड और ये स्टोरी दोनों ही मेरे लिए बेहद खास है। ये अवार्ड है सिर्फ और सिर्फ हिबा और कश्मीर के लोगों के लिए।
Before we move on to the next set of awards, we would like you to hear from a long-time collaborator, a friend of Ladli, an academician, researcher, and one of the jury members for the 10th edition, Dr. Vibhuti Patel.
Ladli Media Award feel honored to be part of this endeavor because this award has appreciated and encouraged
journalists who are writing gender responsive stories, documentary filmmakers who are giving positive image and promoting women's agency and the girls' agency. And also it has made a major change in the advertisement world, where we are seeing more increasingly high number of gender sensitive advertisements.
Thank you, Dr. Patel, for highlighting the relevance of the Ladli Media Awards. Now moving on to the next set of awards. The first award in English for print feature goes to Saurabh Duggal for Rugby Gives Wings to Tribal Girls from Impoverished West Bengal Village in Hindustan Times. Saurabh Duggal in his feature has presented the trials and triumphs of young Adivasi girls, breaking all stereotypes bound by one common love, rugby. In appreciation of his work showcasing the talents and aspirations of girls from rural India and those who support them, Saurabh Duggal is presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020. The next award for print investigative stories in English goes to Divya Goyal for Punjab, the Invisible Drug Addicts in Indian Express. Divya Goyal's investigative work presents the story of adult women, married women, and mothers who are trapped in the sinkhole of drug addiction without much support in Punjab. In appreciation of this eye-opening story written with sensitivity, clarity, and urgency, Divya Goyal is presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020.
I'd like to thank Ladli Media Awards for recognizing our story that we did on women drug addicts in Punjab. This award is from my father, whom I lost some months back, and of course the entire team of Indian Express Chandigarh. Thank you.
The award for print news report in English goes to Neha Sharma for ostracized Kashmiri survivor gets justice after 15 years in Times of India. Neha Sharma's detailed reportage of a young Kashmiri woman's 15-year journey to get conviction for her rapists in the high-profile 2006 Kashmir sex scandal case presents the rough and often frustrating journey ahead of the survivor. In appreciation of the responsible and factual reporting presented with sensitivity, Neha Sharma is presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020.
I'm so honored and so pleased to have received this prestigious Ladli Award. And my happiness is doubled because I'm receiving it for the second time. Journalism and journalists are under question these days, but these awards and acknowledgements are proof that good journalism is always there to stay and we all have a good future to look forward to. Thank you so much.
The award for Electronic News Report in English goes to Runjun Sharma for boy-child abuse in government-run schools on CNN News 18. Runjun Sharma's investigative piece brings to the fore how schools, supposed sanctuaries and safe spaces, have often become places for sexual abuse and harassment of young boys, leaving them traumatized. In appreciation of this much-needed and timely news report, Runjun Sharma is presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020.
Thank you so much for this recognition. I'm truly honored and humbled to receive my second Ladli Award for Gender Sensitivity. When we talk about gender, we often miss out men and boys from the narrative. My story tried to do exactly that, throw light on the rampant sexual abuse of young boys in government-run schools in the national capital. I'd like to thank my team, my camera person Guneet for beautifully capturing this very sensitive story, and of course the brave young children for being so courageous and speaking out the truth. Thank you so much.
The award for web-based e-magazine in English goes to Lakshmi Deb Roy for Faking Virginity. Do women need to bleed to show they are pure? In Outlook magazine. Lakshmi Deb Roy's article highlights how products such as iVirgin navigate around patriarchal norms on virginity and continue to reinforce the regressive mindset. In appreciation of this in-depth feature, Lakshmi Deb Roy is presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020.
It is a great honor to receive the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity. It is a one-of-a-kind award in the field of journalism, and I'm truly honored to get this. I thank the team of Population First and my editors at Outlook for giving me an opportunity to write stories on gender sensitivity.
The award for web-based feature in English goes to Nidhi Jamwal for Who Moved My Village on gaoconnection.com. Nidhi Jamwal presents a thoroughly researched feature on the rising tides, consequent socioeconomic impacts, and political inadequacy affecting the lives of women across the Sundarban Islands. In appreciation of presenting a comprehensive story of the lives of women in the context of climate change, Nidhi Jamwal has presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020. The award for web-based investigative report in English goes to Neetu Singh for First Information Report does not mention rape, Lucknow horror on gaoconnection.com. Neetu Singh's investigative report on the rape survivor from Lucknow explores the attitude of police and the discriminatory and flawed process of filing the FIR, which compound trauma of the survivor. In appreciation of a straightforward presentation of the report, Neetu Singh is presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020. The award for web-based news report in English goes to Fatima Khan for They Said No One Should Cry But Then Broke Down. How Unnao Village mourned rape victim on the print.in, where she presents a detailed report of the Unnao rape survivors' ordeal to register FIR against the alleged rapists, her consequent death and politicization of the crime. In appreciation of sensitively highlighting the trials of the family of the Unnao rape victim, Fatima Khan is presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity.
I'm super delighted and grateful to have won the Ladli Award for sensitive gender reporting. I'd like to thank everyone at Population First, the jury and the organizers for recognizing my work. I'd also like to thank the team of editors at The Print who've always pushed us and encouraged us to do better. Unnao was one of the most challenging stories I've had to do, not only because it's a gender crime or a series of gender crimes, but also crimes involving layers of caste and class violence, all highly political. And I'm especially stoked to be in the company of some excellent reporters who have won the Ladli Award. In fact, a lot of journalists who I look up to today and who inspire me have won the Ladli Award at some point in their careers. So this is actually pretty cool. Thank you for this honor.
The award for web op-ed in English goes to Ankita Anand for Travel and the Female Body, Why Thailand is a Safe Space for My Skin on thequint.com. Ankita Anand's op-ed is a personal account of her travels to Thailand and her dreams and hopes for a better travel experience in India without the constant fear of street harassment. In appreciation of a well-documented account of the female traveler's experience, Ankita Anand is presented the Ladli Media and Advertising Award for Gender Sensitivity 2020.
Adrienne Rich had said that when a woman tells the truth, she is creating the possibility for more truth around her. I'm really grateful to Ladli Media for both these awards because these are a reminder that when women tell the truth of their lives, they may be shamed, threatened, or ostracized, but they're also heard and recognized and joined by many other women who then share their truths. Thank you so much.
Now moving on to this year's Jury Appreciation Citation. This year we have 11 journalists from the Northern region receiving Jury Appreciation Citations for their potential to write gender-sensitive stories. We hope they sharpen their analytical and writing skills and emerge as winners in the next edition of the awards. Hearty congratulations to everyone. Amita Pandey is presented the Jury Appreciation Citation for Madad Mangti Mahila Helpline in Lok Samadhan. Amita Pandey's article features the various interventions and efforts by the Madhya Pradesh government to aid women's safety and security accurately, along with highlighting the flaws and lacunae. Daya Sagar is presented the Jury Appreciation Citation for Ye Gaon Hai Misal, Wi-Fi, CCTV, camera और शिकायत के लिए WhatsApp group on gaonconnection.com. There's how the story of Prakashini Jaiswal of Uttar Pradesh reminds us of the immense potential of properly implemented community mobilization initiatives in bringing about change. Swati Singh is presented the Jury Appreciation Citation for लड़कियों के लिए आज भी बुरा समझा जाता है nurse बनना on feminismindia.com. Swati Singh narrates how nurses in a small village of Bihar contend with the gendered mindset of their community. Ankita Anand is presented the Jury Appreciation Citation for Men Be Allies, Not Apostles of Equality in Deccan Herald. This opinion piece furthers the conversation of equality between women and men. In appreciation of this brilliantly illustrated piece that argues for men to give up their chains of patriarchy and superiority and speak to women, and for women not from imperious heights but as equals, Ankita Anand is presented the LMAX 2020 Jury Appreciation Citation. Lakshmi Devroy is presented the Jury Appreciation Citation for a series of features in Outlook that represent diverse stories and perspectives on gender, which reflect her potential and journey as a sensitive journalist. Majid Maqbool is presented the Jury Appreciation Citation for Kashmir Through the Female Gaze in the Hindu magazine. Majid Maqbool in his Kashmir Through the Female Gaze focuses on women photojournalists who have managed to visit and enter places and tell stories that are not easily accessible. Safina Nabi is presented the Jury Appreciation Citation for Kashmir Transgenders Trapped in Women Body in Tehelka magazine. The transgender world is consumed by trans women and their problems, but trans men are largely ignored and forgotten. Safina Nabi provides a peek into the life and challenges of trans men with empathy and compassion. Tara Chittur is presented the Jury Appreciation Citation for Semi-Nomadic Anti-Child Marriage Crusader Challenging Stereotype in the Hitwara. Tara Chittur's short news report profiles the inspiring and heartening story of Shabnam Angaria, a victim of child marriage herself, who continues to take on the discriminatory and dangerous community practice of child marriage. Audrija Bose is presented the Jury Appreciation Citation for Between Masan and Moksha on news18.com. Audrija Bose's feature looks at the Dom community and the lives of their women shaped by historical oppression, strongly held beliefs and practices to protect women, and how it continues to stifle the growth of their young girls. Didi Bajpai is presented the Jury Appreciation Citation for No, You Can't Abuse in This Village. You will be thrashed or canned on gaonconnection.com. Didi Bajpai reports on the unique story of Haryana's Talauda village's Sarpanch, who banned cuss words denigrating women, which highlights the need to take collective stand and action against abusive language. Kanchan Srivastava is presented the Jury Appreciation Citation for Jal Sahelis Quench the Thirst of Parched Bundelkhand on india.mongabe.com. Kanchan Srivastava's story on Jal Sahelis highlights the untapped potential of women's participation in preserving natural resources and developing a sustainable and secure life. UNFPA India, an official partner for the 10th Ladli Media and Advertising Awards for Gender Sensitivity, has been associated with Population First and Ladli Girl Child campaign since its inception almost a decade back. I would like to invite our guest of honor, Ms. Argentina Matavil Pikin, President Representative UNFPA India and Country Director for Bhutan, to share a few thoughts on media advocacy for gender sensitivity.
A very good evening to you all and warm greetings from the United Nations Population Fund. I'd like to start by congratulating Population First for its tireless work year after year in engaging the media and helping to promote and enhance the value of women and girls among families. The media reflects and creates socio-cultural patterns and norms, and it's a powerful force in shaping public opinion and culture. On the same vein, we believe that the media can and already does play an important role in molding perceptions of gender roles and identities and addressing discriminatory practices and challenging gender stereotypes. Recognizing the important role that the media is playing in altering public perception around the value of women and girls and being champions of change, we at UNFPA are delighted to support this 10th edition of the Ladli Awards for Gender Sensitivity. This is to show our deep appreciation for communication professionals who, in their work, day in and day out, have embraced the struggle for rights and choices for women and girls. It is with a growing optimism that I have observed how, in recent years, both the representation of women in media and the coverage and space given to women-centric stories has grown. Even during this current pandemic, I read and continue to read several stories reported and written from a gender perspective, whether to highlight the increased vulnerabilities of women and girls in this global health emergency, or to narrate the heroic role that women collectives are playing in responding to the pandemic. It is very encouraging indeed to learn that there were close to 1,200 entries for this edition of the awards, and that the jury found it very difficult to select only a few winners from among the many excellent submissions. These awards have helped bring awareness to gender issues and contributed over the years to positive incremental change, such as, for example, additional skilling for communication personnel, meaningful engagement with media leaders and regulatory bodies. It has resulted in slowly opening up spaces for gender-sensitive reporting and writing. And for that, we thank all the media colleagues and professionals who have engaged in this struggle. It is therefore my pleasure and privilege to congratulate all the 2020 Ladli Award winners as leaders and change makers in a movement for a more just, socially responsive, gender equitable and inclusive media. I hope that you continue to challenge gender stereotypes in all your work until every citizen, women, men, girls, boys, and other enjoy equal dignity and rights. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ms. Argentina Matavel Pikin.